Hi, today I'd like to share how Emerson IIoT technologies and domain expertise can optimize beverage production by increasing equipment availability, reducing energy costs, and enhancing machine health visibility. As consumer demand and product variety increase for beverages, producers need to run their equipment longer and faster, but don't want their machines to fail unexpectedly. Emerson has expertise in machine health monitoring and technologies to enable predictive maintenance programs. Sensors such as the AF2 flow sensor can collect critical component data, then feed the data to analytical AI packages such as our Plantweb optics analytics or a package dashboard directly on the line. This equipment health visibility and trending can help producers predict when equipment will fail so they can proactively take action, reducing downtime. Pinpointing and quickly repairing issues like excess electrical draws and air leaks can lead to more efficiencies and energy savings. Emerson can help monitor the overall energy footprint of a facility with software to monitor machine air consumption and energy use across the entire production line. Our Pro.Energy package helps identify inefficient machines and notifies maintenance personnel to quickly address the issue. For example, we recently worked with Colgate to help reduce their CO2 footprint by monitoring their utilities airflow. Using Emerson solutions, Colgate was able to reduce energy consumption by 15% at one of their plants. With Emerson solutions, beverage producers can enhance reliability and efficiency for their entire plant, increasing uptime and overall equipment effectiveness to optimize their production.